Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix quality loss when sharing in FaceApp. So the quality loss when you want to share from FaceApp to anywhere, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. And honestly, most of it isn't FaceApp's fault. It's mainly compression from Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp plus a few hidden settings. So why the quality drops? The FaceApp may export slightly compressed images, and Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook compresses everything when uploading, and the wrong aspect ratio or resolution equal extra compression. Also, if you're using the data saver option or setting, that reduces the upload quality. So actually guys, first you will need to turn on the high quality uploads and Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. And that's the most important. So you'll need just to go inside the Instagram app, for example. So just tap it and then go with the three lines that's located at the top right before you will need to get through your profile. So just tap here and then with the three lines. And here you will need to look for the data usage or the media quality, okay? So tap on the search bar and look for media quality, all right? So just tap on here and then you will need to enable the upload at highest quality, okay? So this alone can make a noticeable difference. Also guys, don't use the direct share to Instagram. The built-in share option often reduces quality. So you only just to save the edited photo from FaceApp, then just open Instagram manually and upload it yourself. So this avoids extra compression layers. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.